At Continuum Capital Funding, our purpose is to provide liquidity to the borrower. They're typically real estate professionals that own unencumbered commercial real estate, and they want to tap the equity in that asset so that they're not forced into a fire sale of their property.
We have a very defined and specialized niche. Very few borrowers qualify for our type of loan products. Again, we only lend to properties that have significant equity, and we also only lend in the first lien position where we can control the asset.
It's our job to analyze the property through appraisals, broker opinion, and a site visit to determine the proper value to protect ourselves and our investors.
I like the investment in Continuum Capital for a number of reasons, but primarily I like real estate. I'm comfortable with it, and I like the guys that are looking at the markets.
I'm a big believer in investing in people, and I invest in people that I trust. And I've known Clark for 20 years and Brian for about 5, and I trust them to manage my money. They've done a good job of that, and they treat it as if it's their own, so I'm very comfortable with them.
We fund our loans by our own capital, investor capital, and a bank line of credit.
Granted, over the course of the past couple of years, we've seen some significant declines in values, and trust me, we certainly factor that into our valuations, but there's less of the sways that you see in some of the markets in Florida, Nevada, Arizona. So we feel very comfortable about understanding the market and having a firm grip as to where valuations have been and where they may be going in the future.
I think they offer some security in the sense that the Chicago market has traditionally been more stable. It doesn't fly as high and it doesn't fall as far. And that's a part of the investment strategy I really like.
I've known Brian for almost 10 years. We've been doing business together for many of those years, and we decided to become partners in this venture.
Clark and I have a great relationship. Our styles complement each other tremendously. Where my background is more in conventional banking, underwriting, process, and documentation, Clark brings a tremendous perspective in his street-savvy approach in breaking down the property valuation and better understanding the borrower and the situation that they may currently be in.
Both Brian and Clark are guys that value their capital, are conservative, and they analyze things the way I would analyze them. They look at the risk, and I've been very comfortable with the property they've invested in.
We're tremendously excited about the opportunities that exist and the room for growth in this marketplace. From now and in the years to come, we feel very comfortable with our business model and our ability to execute on our strategy.